Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to automatically number rows in Google Sheets. This is an incredibly useful feature when you're working with large data sets and need to keep track of row numbers, especially when sorting or filtering your data. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Google account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your workspace so you can access all your spreadsheets and files. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Workspace dashboard. This is where all your documents, spreadsheets, and presentations are stored. Take a moment to locate the specific spreadsheet where you want to add automatic row numbering. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it to open it up. Now that your spreadsheet is open, it's time to set up the automatic numbering formula. Click on the cell where you want your numbering to begin. For this example, let's say you click on cell A2. This is typically where you'd start if row 1 contains your header information. In this cell, you're going to type a specific formula that will handle all the numbering for you. Type equals row open parenthesis. This formula is the key to automatic numbering in Google Sheets. The row function returns the row number of a specific cell, which is exactly what we need for sequential numbering. Here's where it gets a bit more specific. You need to tell the formula which row to reference as your starting point. Click on cell A1 to reference it in your formula. By referencing A1, you're essentially telling the formula to start counting from row 1. Now close the formula by typing a closing parenthesis. Your complete formula should look like equals row open parenthesis. The final step is to apply this formula to all the rows where you need numbering. Click on the cell containing your formula and you'll notice a small square appears at the bottom right corner of the cell. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag this handle down to however many rows you need numbered. As you drag it down, Google Sheets will automatically adjust the formula for each row, creating a perfect sequential numbering system that starts from 1 and continues down your spreadsheet. And there you have it, you've successfully set up automatic row numbering in Google Sheets. This method ensures that even if you add or delete rows later, your numbering will adjust automatically. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.